how to use incognito mode on Google Chrome browser on iPhone. So if you're using Chrome on your iPhone and now you want to use the incognito mode on your Chrome browser, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Just like the way you can use incognito mode on your Safari on iPhone, you can also use incognito mode on Chrome browser. So the first one to do is go ahead and open the Chrome browser. Once opened the Chrome browser, click on the three dots at the bottom right. Now, once it opens, locate New Incognito tab and then click on it. Once you click on New Incognito tab, go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. If you turn on passcode for incognito, then it should say you've gone incognito. Then you can now go ahead and start surfing the net. So whatever you do here will not be kept on your browser history, and as it will be deleted the moment you exit the incognito mode. Then you can see I have multiple incognito mode tabs here. You see that? So that is basically how to turn on or use incognito mode on Chrome browser on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.